This is a GoPro Hero 7 Black, and the issue is you turn it on, it turns on just fine. Looks like there's about 36% battery, but when you go to hit record, it starts to record, and look at that, the screen goes blank. I don't have it set for screensaver mode or anything like that, and you'll notice that this is just in a very bad state now. It appears to be recording, but when I look at the recordings, it looks like they're corrupt. And often the only way to recover is just to take the battery back out again and start over. So I thought, oh, there's something wrong with this GoPro. But then I tried a different battery. That's probably the original battery that came with it. This is a battery that I've bought since then, and it is probably in better shape, but check out the difference. With this battery, oh, see there, it's repairing the file that I did previously. But with this battery, check it out. My GoPro Hero 7 works just fine. It was not the GoPro at all. And this GoPro has been through the ringer. As you can see, it's missing all the doors and compartments. But it's still going. And the only problem was the battery was bad. So consider that as a possibility if the symptom that you're having is that the GoPro turns off immediately after you hit the record button. It may just be a bad battery. I have a feeling that this GoPro Hero 7 was engineered on the very edge. Some other things that I noticed, for instance, if you run it at 4K resolution, 60 frames per second, it will overheat. It absolutely will overheat and shut down from thermal overload. So there are a few quirks about the GoPro Hero 7, and I've just discovered another one of them. The battery can go bad. Apparently the GoPro Hero 7 needs lots of power, and if you threaten that in any way, it just gives up. All right, I hope that helps somebody out there.